Good afternoon, this is Neil Spate, Thurrock News at the London Gateway Logistics Park, where a rather remarkable funeral cortege is just getting underway. This is the funeral cortege for Suresh Karia, who is the founder of the ATL Haulage Contractors Company, which is based here. A man held in huge regard within the industry. And as you can see it there, members of staff have come to the gate to mark this final journey. The coffin will be placed, I understand, on the lorry at some point. Zach, as you can see on the back of the lorry, that will bear his coffin. And as well as a cortege of family, friends and workers in private cars, as we turn around you will see a rather remarkable sight. All these vehicles that will be taking part in the cortege to this funeral. Private cars join the cortege. Another lorry adds in. We will leave this rather spectacular scene and a fitting tribute to the man.